Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this coastal mirror wall decor using all Dollar Tree items, and if you missed out on that lantern down there, be sure to check it out. I'll put the link down in the description box to that video, and I also made that using all Dollar Tree items. So if you want to see how I made that mirror up there, just keep on watching. But before I start, I will want to let you know and invite you all to my other YouTube channel. It's called Tina's Daily Deals, where I post daily deals from Amazon and other stores as well, just like these stickers, and you save just by putting in codes or clipping coupons. So this is $6.99. I know it's off season, but you can get it for $2.80. Or this one in today's video is this knife set with the block, and it has great reviews from $29.99 down to $17.99. Or this NYX foundation, you're just going to clip a coupon and drop the price. So this is price dropped from $14 down to $3.99, but click the coupon and get it for $2.87. Or this from yesterday's video, it's this portable electric rechargeable pedicure kit, and it's listed for $17.99. You're going to clip the 30% off and get it for $12 and some change. So definitely check that out. I'll put the link to my other YouTube channel down in the description box, so it's an easy click. And if you like what you see, be sure to join the family. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and start today's project. Here we're going to take this foam ring from Dollar Tree, and I'm going in with white paint by Apple Barrel, but you can use any acrylic white paint, or you can even spray paint it. I'm going to go ahead and paint this, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to go in with hot glue, and I'm going to wrap it with twine, just like you see or you saw in the picture. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it and applying a little bit more glue as I go, and we're going to do 4 of them, so like crossing each other, if that makes sense. And boom, it should look something like this. You see how it only took like 20 seconds? Now we're going to take our scissors, give it a little cleanup because, you know, we want it to look pretty. Now we're going to go ahead and take our mirror, but before I do that, I'm going to take this rope from Dollar Tree and I'm going to glue it to the wheel. Going to start off from the bottom middle, and then I'm going to just go ahead work my way up, but I am working in small sections, so just apply a little bit of glue and then glue the piece that you need, working in small sections. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos like this one. So like I said, we are working in small sections, and I am not gluing it all the way around. I am leaving the top open because that's how we're going to hang this. Once I'm done wrapping it with the rope, I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and I'm going to create a little knot on top and gluing the ends together with hot glue. Now it's time to put our mirror in there. And by the way, the mirror is also from Dollar Tree. I found it with the frames in the frame section, but I'm going to apply hot glue only on the twine because the mirror is only going to be touching the twine realistically. So I'm going to place that in there, and then I'm going to go in with E6000 and apply a little bit more on like in there with it, so that way it gives it more of a permanent hold. So the hot glue is going to keep the mirror in place until the E6000 is completely dry. And this is how it turned out. I think it looks amazing, but I want to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And like I always say, take the idea, make it your own. You can definitely paint this any color you'd like. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.